Hey! In this video, I'll show you how to share this widget status with anyone. Let's do it! This is the main screen. Let's tap on Friends down here. And make some friends, click on this icon right here. And you can add friends via links or your code. Now go back. Here I have one friend, and I have a friend request. I'm going to accept it. He's my friend now, so I can share a status with him. Let's go to Explore, then choose Status. Tap Add Status to add any status. I'll pick this one as an example. You can add text from here or choose a background image using this icon. Then tap Post. Now you're ready to go. Tap the Widgets icon down here. We want to add it to the home screen, so choose Our Status. Now pick the friend you want to share the status with. Tap Save. Now comes the important part, so focus with me. Exit the app. Long press on the home screen. Tap the plus sign here, and now look for the Widget app. Choose the app, then slide and pick the medium widget. Drag it to where you want it, and tap Done. Now, long press on the widget and choose Edit Widget. Tap Widget Style, and finally, select the status you created with your friend. Tap anywhere to exit, and that's it.